Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to move the deduplication database from one location to another. If you want to change the location of a deduplication database that is hosted on one of the drive of your media agent, then you want to move it to the another drive, another folder, then how you can do that. So for this guys, what you need to do is once you are there in the GUI, you can go to the storage resources tab, and in this storage resources tab you can see a tab coming up with the name deduplication engines, which will show you all the storage pool. So for whatever the storage pool you want to move the deduplication database, just expand that and reach to the partition of the deduplication database that you want to move. Now what you can do is just above that, right click and say all task, and there is an option coming up with the name move partition. Now once you click on move partition guys, all the deduplication database partitions which are there in that pool will be shown. Remember that if you have a multiple partition, all the partitions all the partitions in there, that pool will be shown over here. So if you want to move only one partition, just define the location for that particular partition. Don't define the location for the other partition if you don't want to move the location or change the location for the other partitions. Just define the location for the partition for which you want to change the location. Let's say I want to change the location for this particular partition, so I can click on choose path. I can select the same media agent, and then I can select any of the drive on that particular media agent. So let's say I want to keep it on some of the drive. Let's say I want to keep it on the F drive. I can create a new folder in there with the name, let's say DDB new, something like that. I'm gonna create one folder, select that and say OK. Now once you click on OK, click on OK again, and you will see the new locations where the deduplication database will be moved to. Now, there is an option coming up with the name change config only. You are going to select this option only when the source deduplication database is offline or sealed, or like due to any reason this particular database will not come up again. Okay, so this deduplication database will not come up again. In that case only you are going to select the option of change config only. But if you have your live database, you're going to use it in the future, then don't select this particular option. So what it does, like change config only, it just update the configuration information about the database in your SQL. It actually don't move any data from the source location. Okay, so for in our case the database is up and live, so we'll not select this option and say OK. Now once you click on OK, it give you a warning, select partition will be offline during the move. Jobs running to this store may go to the pending or the waiting state. So it will just let you know if there is any backup job running using this deduplication database, they will go to the pending state. So do you want to continue? I would say yes. So once you click on yes in the job controller, you will see a move partition job coming up. Now we'll just wait for this particular location, this particular job to get complete. Once the progress reaches to the 100%, the move partition operation will be marked as completed. Now one more thing that I want to tell you, from the source location, the deduplication database will be removed as soon as the copy operation get complete. Okay, so it's kind of a cut paste operation that we are doing. But if you want to keep the deduplication database on the source location as well for some time, then that also can be done. So you can control a setting from the storage. You can go to the media management. In the media management, under the deduplication tab, there is a setting which says days to keep the DDB on the source location after successful moving the partition, which is 0. Means uh, once the partition has been moved, it will be kept for 0 days on the source location. But you can increase that number of days over there. Whatever the number of days you mention in there, the DDB will be kept on the source location as well for so many days. Okay, and it will get automatically deleted from the source location after whatever the days you have mentioned in there. So yeah, that also you can control. Now you can see that the move operation got complete, the move partition operation got completed. Now over here I can still see the old location. So what I can do is I can try to refresh and see if it shows me the location. If not, then what you can do is guys, you can just close the GUI, and once you close the GUI, you can just try to log in into that particular GUI again. So once you log in into the GUI again, it's gonna give you the updated thing. So sometime if the changes that you have done is not being immediately updated to you, what you can do is you can consider closing the GUI. And once you close that particular GUI, guys, let's wait for login. So yes, so once you log in, you can go to the storage resources, go to the deduplication engine, and see the location. Now you can see the updated location for the deduplication database, and you can even see the status is online. So deduplication database move operation got completed. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much.